Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Rocket Espresso Milano machine, and for this machine we had to do an overhaul, which means we had to disassemble the whole E61 groove head, deep clean everything in there, replace all these little gaskets, all these little levers that you see, because the main issue with this machine was whenever you were raising the lever up to here, you will hear this big clanking noise, and it was one of these little pieces just banging, not moving freely inside the E61 groove head and making it even more hard to use. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. Hopefully I pick up the right grind size for this machine. Otherwise, we're gonna see either coffee or coffee barely dripping. So starting in one shot, here we go. I might have need to temper a little bit more. As you can see, we started with a good water flow and then you just spray out a little bit. That's good enough. A little bit longer. Good crema, good shot. Even though I'm using a bigger cup than I'm supposed to. We also descaled this machine. Drum sitter as to the whole system, and yeah, we descaled this machine. We remove all the scale we have inside it. There was a lot, and as you can see now, the water from the machine working perfectly fine. Steamer, strong, powerful, working really well. And there you have it, Rocket Espresso Milano, working once again. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching. And just to show you back again the lever, as you can see, no banging noise or anything like that, just running smoothly.